Ako ay napapaibig sa galang ito. Buti pang gala iniibig, samantalang ako, ito pa rin nag-iintay sa iyong pagbabalik. Eme! What's up, mga lagalag? For today's video, dadaan tayo ng NLEX. Mahaba-haba ang biyahe, kaya naman ako muna iitlip. Ang galing no, natutulog pero nagbe-video. Multitasker yarn. But anyway, for today's video, magsiseryoso muna ako. I'll serve as your tour guide sa Bataan. Habang nasa biyahe, maraming chismis pa aming napag-usapan. Pero dahil nagutom ang mga person, kami muna ay magdadrive to sa McDonald's. Nag-promote pa ka naman McDo. These statues represent the first line of defense memorial in Barangay Layak, Nalupihan, Bataan. This memorial commemorates the American and Filipino soldiers who fought here in 1941. This memorial also commemorates the unit of 38th Infantry Division. Whew, my nose is bleeding. On this part, you will be able to see the Mount Samat Cross. Mount Samat National Shrine or Dambana ng Kagitingan, Shrine of Balor, is a historical shrine located near the summit of Mount Samat in the town of Pilar, province of Bataan. In the Republic of the Philippines, the Memorial Shrine Complex was built to honor and remember the gallantry of Filipino and American soldiers who fought against the Imperial Japanese Army during the World War II. Finally, we are now entering the Bagak, Bataan, where you can find the Friendship Tower. This tower in the town of Bagak is a clear symbol of positive transformation. Former adversaries during World War II reconciled and eventually became close allies. The Rishu Koseikai group built the Monument Tower in 1975. It is a reminder that Japan, now a pacifist country, vows never to engage in war again. Hindi para mag-English, oy! Tapos bigla kang sinapyan ni Tita mo, Grace Dan Felix. Okay na to. Malalayo pa nga tayo sa ating biyaheng tatahakin, kaya naman naghanap tayo ng stopover para Jumingle Bells. Itong aking pamangkin, oo. At eto na naman tayo sa very rough road, just like what my face is. Agoy, Ginoo. Finally, we're here in Amica Cos. Amica is under development. A brand new website is coming soon. Visit their Facebook page. For inquiry, send them an email at info@amicacos.com or info@amicacos.net. I believe that in the near future, this will be one of the best tourist destination here in Bataan. So, paano? Sabi ko sa inyo, magtituno muna ako for today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. Please like, follow, and share na rin. Hanggang sa susunod na gala, paalam!